Let's see how to download Opera GX on school iPad. In the first step, tap on Settings. Later, navigate to General. After that, select Device Management. In the next step, tap on Profiles and Device Management. Next, find your school profile. Then press Trust to allow installations. In the next step, launch Safari browser. Now look up Opera GX download for iOS. Later, choose a trusted website. In the next step, press Download. Now, follow the given instructions. After that, let the installation finish. In the next step, launch Opera GX app. Next, grant required permissions. Then begin browsing smoothly. You are good to go.